MAV videos and how they're made. Step 1. Log into WeVideo if you have it. Otherwise, use another kind of video editing software. 2. Sign into WeVideo. 3. Click Make New. 4. Make a great ol' snazzy intro sequence, like this one. 3. Record your own voice and edit your voice so that these parts, like the footsteps of your family members, don't get in your video. Make sure to also edit out all the parts of your mouse clicking, like this one. 97.5. Ruin the continuity. 500 trillion 1. Make sure the end credits are really cool.